For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The real estate industry offers vast opportunities for entrepreneurs, especially those who leverage the power of artificial intelligence. With a wide range of free AI tools available, it's now possible to launch a real estate business with minimal upfront costs while automating and streamlining key operations. This guide outlines a step-by-step process to help you start your own real estate business using free AI tools and strategic prompts to maximize their effectiveness. Step 1. Define your real estate niche and business model. Before diving into operations, clarify what type of real estate business you want to start. Options include becoming a residential agent, commercial broker, wholesaler, property manager, or even investing in rental or flip properties. Your niche will shape every decision going forward, from your marketing strategy to your client base. To get started, use ChatGPT to help refine your business model. A suggested prompt: help me identify the most profitable real estate niche for a beginner in your city. List pros and cons of each option and recommend one based on low startup costs and fast revenue potential. Once your niche is chosen, define whether you'll operate independently or under a brokerage and how you'll generate income, commissions, leasing fees, sales, or consulting. Step 2. Create a business plan with ChatGPT. A business plan helps clarify your vision and align your resources. Use ChatGPT to draft your plan with this prompt. Write a complete real estate business plan for a new company focusing on your chosen niche in your location. Include sections on market analysis, mission, services, financial projections, and marketing strategy. This draft can be modified and personalized to meet licensing, investor, or partnership needs. Step 3. Choose a business name, register it, and build a brand identity. AI can also help with branding. Use Numelix, https://numelix.com, a free AI business name generator to brainstorm brand names based on keywords like homes, realty, or your own name. Once you've chosen one, check domain availability using Google Domains or Namecheap. Then, use Loca, https://loca.com, or Canva's free AI logo generator to create your logo. To define your visual brand, ask ChatGPT. Generate a brand identity guide for a modern, trustworthy real estate company targeting first-time homebuyers. Include color palettes, typography suggestions, and tone of voice. Step 4. Handle legal requirements and licensing. Most real estate businesses require a license. For agents and brokers, this includes pre-licensing courses, passing a state exam, and activating your license with a brokerage. Property investors may not need a license, but should form an LLC or corporation. Ask ChatGPT, what are the licensing requirements to become a real estate agent/broker/investor in your state? Then use AI-powered legal services like Lorena's AI Contract Builder, https://lorna.org/tools, to create basic contracts, NDAs, and partnership agreements. Step 5. Set up your online presence with AI tools. A professional website and strong digital presence are vital. Use Durable, https://durable.co, a free AI website builder, to create a real estate site in minutes. It lets you enter your business type and auto-generates text, layout, and visuals. Once your site is live, use ChatGPT to optimize your web copy. Prompt: rewrite my homepage content for a real estate website targeting buyers/sellers/investors in location, making it engaging, clear, and SEO-friendly. You should also set up a Google business profile and use Canva's free templates to design matching business cards, flyers, and email signatures. Step 6. Build a real estate CRM using AI tools. Managing leads is easier with a CRM system. While many paid options exist, you can build a simple, free AI-powered CRM using Notion AI, https://www.notion.co. so/product/AI. Notion lets you create a client database, track property interactions, schedule follow-ups, and embed documents. Prompt for Notion AI. Create a real estate CRM template that includes property listings, client details, inquiry status, follow updates, and lead sources. Step 7. Generate leads with AI marketing tools. Generating leads is the lifeblood of your business. Begin by creating a marketing plan using ChatGPT. Write a 30-day digital marketing plan to promote a real estate business on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Include daily content ideas, add budget suggestions, and engagement strategies. To generate social media content automatically, use tools like Puretis.ai, https://puretis.ai, which allows you to create branded real estate posts, carousels, and videos using AI from just a text prompt. For property ads, use ChatGPT to craft listings with a prompt such as, write a compelling real estate listing description for a 3-bedroom family home in neighborhood, highlighting its best features and neighborhood amenities. Step 8. Use AI to analyze market trends and property values. Understanding the market is critical. Use ChatGPT to analyze trends using this prompt. Summarize the latest real estate trends and home price data for city/state, and suggest the best neighborhoods for investment. Combine this with Google's Gemini or Microsoft Copilot in Excel to analyze spreadsheets with home sales data, rental income, and ROI calculations. You can input raw data and ask AI to interpret it, e.g., analyze this Excel data of 50 sold homes in zip code to identify the average price per square foot and fastest selling areas. Step 9. Automate client communication with free AI tools. Client management can be streamlined with AI-generated emails and chatbots. Use MailerLite's free plan, https://www.mailerlite.com, to set up email marketing sequences such as buyer welcome emails or home search updates. Ask ChatGPT. Write a 5-part email series for nurturing real estate buyer leads, including welcome, needs analysis, market updates, and appointment setting. You can also build a basic AI chatbot using Tidio or Landbot's free tier to answer FAQs on your website, increasing lead capture. Step 10. Scale by leveraging AI for team building and expansion. As your business grows, use AI to help build your team and scale operations. Ask ChatGPT to write job descriptions and outreach messages. Prompt: write a job ad for hiring a virtual assistant for a real estate company. List responsibilities, qualifications, and how to apply. You can use Teal, https://www.tealhq.com, to manage your hiring process or create role-specific onboarding guides with AI-generated SOPs, standard operating procedures. Conclusion: starting a real estate business has never been more accessible, thanks to free AI tools that simplify and accelerate nearly every aspect of the process. From building your brand and generating leads to automating communications and analyzing the market, AI offers an edge for newcomers willing to embrace it. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.